Hello, thank you for dropping by the channel. Today I'm going to be trying to unclog the sink here in our bathroom. This is in a back bathroom. It's kind of in a master bedroom here, and really only one person uses this. So I don't come in here that often, but I've been told that this has a slow drain for about a month now. They've been using liquid plumber down the sink here to clear the drain, and as you can see, there's a lot of stuff down here. Now, there wouldn't be a big problem to clear that out. Put a bucket under there, take off the P-trap, and enter at the wall there. That may be what I have to do, but I'm going to try to avoid all that. I'm going to be trying to just take the auger or snake here and go straight in with the pipe connected. We'll see if that'll work. I'm using the quick spin drain auger here by Rigid. Let me show you how this works. So the auger has a trigger here. Pull that against the handle, turn clockwise, and that will advance the snake cable there. Then when you want to retract it, just go counterclockwise. Okay, so you can hand feed it if you want to. May have to do that to get it through that P-trap. But yeah, it's pretty simple. So we'll see how good it works today. I think I am going to use my hand to get it through. If I can get it through underneath here. Go ahead and give myself quite a bit in here. I've even got the snake on the ground at this point. So yeah, just going to try to feed it through that bend. I think I'm through. I think the snake is a 1/4 inch. I'm not exactly sure about that. It seems about what it is. Try to twist it. Okay, we are through. I believe we are through. I think we are through. I'm going to go ahead and twist it. I don't think we're through the wall yet. Okay, I think we're in the wall, I believe. I'm just going to look under here and make sure that I haven't knocked any pipes loose. Everything looks pretty good. At this point, let's go ahead and fill up the drain. Okay, I'm just going to pull the quick spin auger towards the drain here. I'm going to stop at about 4 inches. Let's go ahead and fill the sink up. And there's a possibility I could have unclogged it just by pushing the snake in there, but I'm about 99% sure that didn't happen. Should be using hot water. Looking underneath to make sure there's no leaking under there. Everything looks good. All right, we're going to work with about that much water. Now the water is just going to allow me to see if I unclog the pipe there. So you can see some little bubble action here. Okay, now I'm just simply going to grip the trigger here and turn clockwise. I feel some restriction here, so I'm just water did go down, but I don't think this snake has gone through the clog. It's hitting either a clog or a bend in the wall. At least that's what it feels like. As you can see, it's slow, so it's still clogged. So I'm going to push this to about 4 inches. Grab the trigger. All right, I think that went through. It's not going through, so I feel like I'm at a bend somewhere. I'm going to keep working on it and I'll get right back. Okay, it's clearly through, so I'm going to retract it now and just squeeze the trigger here and spin it counterclockwise, bringing all the snake out of the pipe. Surely I didn't have that much snake in. Looks like I had a lot of snake in, but I didn't have that much in. At least I don't think I did. So, just a little bit of hair there, not much. Hand's still pretty clean. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job. I didn't really like holding the handle that long. It can kind of be tiring to do that. So I just manually used a lot of this. I advanced it a lot of times, just by pushing the cable through and pulling it out, as you saw at the end there. It was going to take forever, it seemed like, to retract it with this handle here, but overall it works out, so I can't complain, and it fixed the clog there. No leaking. So anyway, I guess we'll say this has worked pretty well here. Overall, rigid, quick spin, drain cleaner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care.